Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, we are going to do this design. Okay, we are going to create this working area. Okay, we will do this floating shelf with lighting, and we will do the curve shape drawer table down here. Okay, so we will start with empty room. I have this empty room over here, and I set the wall height to 2008. Alright. Then you can go to customize and go to system cabinet. Okay, in this video I will use system cabinet. Okay, so we will start with adding the back panel. Okay, you can see the fluted back panel. So the back panel you can get from Dado module. Okay, first button you can go to Dado module, and you will see the first panel, modern wall panel. Okay, you can drag out. Then you can adjust down here, special parameter, okay, W1, W2. So W1 is the first fluted size, W2 is the second fluted size. Okay, so W1 I will change to 200, and W2 I will change it around 10 mm. Okay, so it will be something like this lah. Okay, or if you want to adjust, you can see the left and right side it doesn't align, so I will extend W1. This one I will add another 20 mm. Okay, so now the left and right side is aligned lah. Okay, then you can adjust the height. You can see the top here, the remaining height is 550. You can just go to high and you can plus 550. Okay, maybe you can minus 100 for the skirting, okay, for the cornice on top lah. Alright, and the thickness of the panel is 20 mm here. Okay, you can adjust the thickness if you want. Alright, next we are going to do the floating shelf. Okay, the floating shelf. So you can go to first button, you can go to component class. Okay, second button you can go to plate type. Then you can drag super panel. Okay, drag to the floor, and you can set the gap, okay, here to 20 mm. Okay, so this is a gap from the side panel to the wall. Okay, since the panel is 20 mm, okay, so we set the gap to 20 mm lah. Then you can select the panel and double check here. You can click on this number. Okay, you can see the arrow popping out to the right. Suppose this should be the width. Okay, so to change it, you can rotate the panel. Okay, press Z button and rotate the panel 90 degree. Okay, then you can select the panel. You can select back this depth. Then you can see the depth is pointing forward. So this is the correct way lah. Width, it will be pointing to the right. Then you can see there's a gap between side panel to the wall, 2004. Okay, you can extend the width to the right side. Okay, you can just plus 2004, enter, because my wall length here is 3000 lah. Okay, then to move the panel upward, you cannot simply drag up and down. You need to use this elevation. Elevation is the height from the floor. So here I will set it to 750, enter. Then it will go up like this. Okay, then you can copy the panel. Okay, copy upward. So you can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy paste. Okay, you can copy upward to the top, and you can adjust the gap. Okay, so here I will adjust around 500, then click confirm. Okay, as you can see, this floating shelf, okay, this one is quite shorter and it's in middle. Okay, then you can adjust the adjust the width, left and right side. Okay, so the right side I minus 500, left side also I will minus 500. Then it will be at the center. Okay, you can also adjust the depth. Usually the wall unit will be around 350 or maybe 450 lah. Okay, so I will change it to 350 and okay, so this is how it looks like. If you see, the first panel is quite thicker, okay, it's quite thick, so you can select the panel and adjust the height. Since we already rotate the panel, okay, now the thickness will be the height lah. Okay, you can set here maybe 50 to 60 mm. Okay, up to your own preference. Then if you notice here we have LED light. Okay, so you can install LED light. To select the panel and edit it, you must press B button. Okay, B for ball, press B, and you can right click on the panel, go to lighting, install. Here you can see there's a few types of lighting. Okay, usually I will use 3 types of light: cold light, warm light, and white light. Okay, you can choose the model. Usually I will use the single side laminate. Double click. Then on the right side you will see the light setting. Okay, so you can zoom in a bit. Then you will see got yellow strip. Then you can adjust the position lah. Okay, usually I will pointing it downward. Okay, and then position I will place it at the center. Okay, this one you can adjust lah, front, center, or back. Then you can increase the light if you want, and you can adjust the spacing between the lights. Down here you can adjust the temperature, color. You can select the box and change the color. And lastly is the brightness. Then click generate. So this is the LED light. Okay, you can do the same thing to this panel as well. You just right click, go to lighting, install, and just repeat the step lah. Okay, adjust the position, increase the lighting, okay, adjust the temperature, color, and the brightness. Then click generate. Okay, so this is the LED light. So once done, you can press escape, exit the function. Okay, in order to see the light effect, you must render first. Okay, once you render, you can see lah. Okay, done for the lighting. Next, we will do the wall unit. Okay, so you can go to the basic unit. Okay, first button, you can go to basic cabinet. You can either use universal cabinet, or you can scroll down, go to universal cabinet horizontal. You can use this one as well. Okay, so you drag it out. Okay, it won't stick to the wall because we have wall panel at the back. Okay, it will stick at the front panel like this. Then you need to adjust the position manually. Remember, to adjust the height, you must go to elevation, adjust the height. So let's say I set it to 2000, then it will go up like this. Okay, so from top view, it's like this lah. So to move it, you can press Z button. Okay, press Z, select the carcass, and drag it manually. Okay, make sure it's snapped to the front panel like this. Then you can press escape. Okay, you will see got 36 up here. This is the gap from the top panel to the ceiling. Usually I will left the gap between 50 to 100 for the cornice. Okay, so I say I set it 50 mm. Okay, and you will see the right side got remaining 1008. Okay, from the side panel to the wall. So you can go to the width, go to the right side, and plus extend 1008, and okay, it will stretch all the way to the wall. Then you can adjust the height. Okay, so height, I will adjust the bottom, extend it downward, maybe 1000, okay, around 1050, and okay, you can also adjust the skirting. You can see down here got skirting. Usually for cabinet skirting, we will set around 50 mm. Okay, so you can select the carcass. On the right side, you can go to skirting height. Okay, you can change 50, and now the skirting already changed to 50 lah. Okay, so done for the carcass part. Next, for the door, you can go to the install button, okay, on top here. Then you can go to door. Select the inside carcass. Once it's highlight blue color like this, you can go to door type, select the door type, okay, and then down here you can change your mask type, overlay or embedded. Okay, embedded, the door will install inside the frame. Okay, overlay, it will install outside the frame. It will cover the side panel. Okay, then click confirm. So this is how my door looks like. You can exit the installation. Okay, based on the image, we have 6 doors here. Okay, so you can select the door. Okay, on the right side you see got door lift setting. Down here you will see got divide button. Go to divide. Okay, so you can divide the panel horizontally or vertically. Okay, so we divide vertically. Okay, so we have 6 door. I will increase the number to 6. Okay, equally 6. Then confirm. Then I have 6 door over here. Okay, this door also you can open. You can press O button and open. Okay, press O again to close it. So this is the quick door. Okay, you don't have to generate one by one. You just install one door and divide it. Okay. Next, we will install one panel on top. Okay, cornice. You can just right click on the carcass. Okay, go to filler, top ceiling panel. Okay, so we will have one panel on top. Okay, if you go up, you can see it's actually overlapping with the ceiling. So you go to filler setting, go to parameter, okay, go to front panel. So front panel is actually the height. Okay, so the panel height, you can change it to 50. Okay, and you can see got one line at here because the panel is separated. You can go to division, 3000, enter. Okay, my wall length is 3000. So it will remove the division part. So it will remove the line. Okay. Next, okay, we will do this curve shape table. Okay, it's actually a drawer. So you can do the drawer by using panel. Okay, first button you can go to component class. Second button you can go to plate type. You can drag front riser. Okay, I will use this panel, front riser, but you still need to rotate it. So you press Z button, select the panel and rotate facing forward 90 degree. Okay, then you adjust the position manually. Alright, something like this. Then you can resize the panel if you want. Okay, the original size is 600. Okay, 600. You can extend, but you can reduce or you can increase if you want. But I will remain the size 600. Okay, so I will copy the panel forward. Okay, you can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I will copy forward. Okay, front. Distance is 600. Then click confirm. I will have 2 panels here. Alright, so the back panel, okay, you can select. To edit it, you can press B button. Press B. Then you can chamfer the corner. Okay, so you select the panel, select this second button, chamfer. Okay, you will notice each corner will have this blue cube. So you select each cube and you go to outer fillet. Then this side will be curved. Okay, you can adjust the radius as well here. Let's say 200. Okay, it will be more curved. Okay, so I will remain the original radius is 100. You can do the same thing to other corner. Select the cube first, then select outer fillet. Okay, and then just repeat the step to other side. Okay, so this is the look. Then you can escape, press escape to exit the function. Then you can adjust the sizing lah, adjust the thickness. Okay, so thickness 600, enter. Okay, so this is for the carcass. Then for the front panel, okay, this one we will change it to door panel. So to change it to door panel, you can press B button again, press B, right click, transform to door panel, transform to door panel, then it will change to door panel. Okay, so based on the image here, we have 3 drawer. Okay, so you can divide the door. Okay, divide the door again, go to divide. This time you can divide it horizontally. Okay, so depends you want how many drawer. I want 3 drawer only. So I will divide equally 3 and then confirm. Okay, so this is a drawer. Then to chamfer the corner, okay, remember you need to select the panel first. Select the corner first. Okay, select this blue cube and then go to chamfer. Okay, select outer fillet. And you can adjust the radius if you want lah. Okay, repeat the step to other side. Same thing with the bottom area. Select the corner, chamfer. This is how it looks like. Okay, one more thing, extra setting. You can select the panel and change the panel type to drawer. Okay, from swing door, you can change to drawer. Okay, select and change to drawer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so the final part is to change the finishing and add a few decoration. Okay, for finishing, okay, for this kind of finishing, you can import your own texture to AiHouse. This one you can refer our tutorial video how to import own texture, or you can just drag from this library. Okay, you can go to cloud library, you can go to finishing. You can find similar material in wooden floor, herringbone shop. Herringbone shop. Okay, so you can just simply drag to the door. Okay, for solid wood, you can scroll down, go to general material library. Okay, you can see got solid wood and double facing material. This one also is a wooden texture lah. Okay, you can just simply drag and drop. Okay, so this is example. Then to adjust the rotation of the material, okay, you cannot adjust inside here because we are using custom function. So you must go back inside system cabinet. Okay, so you select the carcass, go back inside system cabinet. Right, then you can select the door, right click, go to material, material size. This time you can adjust the width and the height. Let's say I change 2008, height 3000. Then you can tick whether to rotate the texture or not. This one I will tick lah, so it will rotate like this. Okay, so horizontal offset is to move the texture left and right. Vertical offset is to move up and down. Okay, then you can adjust lah. Click confirm. Do the same thing to the right side. Right click, material, material size. Okay, adjust the width and the height. Okay, and you can offset it so the lining will match with the left door. And click confirm. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then for other door, you can repeat the step because this one you cannot simply copy paste. You cannot use material brush to copy paste. Okay, you need to right click and select the door one by one. Okay, just repeat the step. So I will fast forward the video. Alright, so this is how it looks like once I have adjusted all the material size. Okay, then to decorate the area, you can go back to Cloud Library, and add a few decoration. You can go to decoration. Okay, so you can scroll down. There's a few furnishing accessories you can get. Okay, like books and magazine, vases, office stationery. Okay, you can just drag and drop the item. Okay, for furniture, okay, you can go furniture and drag a few chair. You can go to chair. Okay, so you can go to writing chair. Usually the office chair is under this category lah, writing chair. Okay, you can just drag and drop. To copy the chair, you can press shift button, press shift, and then drag the arrow out. Okay, so you can continue drag other accessories. Okay, you can add a few PC here. Okay, some magazines. Alright, so this is the final step and this is the final look. I hope you learned something from this video. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.